Stacy, how can I help you?
Yes, hi. I just got a call about two charges on my Visa card this morning.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you just tell me how much you are being charged?
Um, I can't remember. It said it very fast. What time were the purchases made this morning?
Okay. So you want me to cancel this? It's not you who done this?
Yeah, I would like to know what time this morning the charges were made.
They are using your Visa debit card, sir.
Okay, I'm aware of that, but what time were the charges made?
Could you just repeat yourself slowly?
What time were the charges made?
Sir, they are using your Royal Bank of Canada Visa card.
Okay, for the final time, what time were the charges made?
Okay. They charged me is yesterday.
Okay, you said the charges were made yesterday, but the phone message that you guys left me said they were made this morning. What time were they made?
Sir, there is two charges. That this morning.
Okay, what time were
Okay.
they made this morning?
Sir, right now, I just told you that they are using your Visa debit card and they are using your Royal Bank of Canada Bank.
Okay, I understand that they're using my cards, but what time were the purchases made?
In this morning, sir, just hang on, let me just check.
Please
Yes, hang
do.
on.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I'm just pulling up your details. Hang on.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, can you just confirm me your name?
Okay, Philip Sweet.
Terra Suite?
Philip Sweet. Let me help you. Were the charges made like an hour ago?
Yes, correct.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now it wasn't me because I was busy with my wife loading the dishwasher.
Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. Now just hang on, calm down, okay? As you are connected to the visa department, I'll make sure that you are not going to charge any single penny that you haven't done that, okay?
Okay,
So
no,
don't worry, I will go.
it,
I'll help you to cancel this, okay?
okay, that'll be
Now,
good.
now just
Yeah, I was busy giving my wife a hot beef injection, so I don't think it was me.
okay, all right. Now I believe you want me to cancel this, right?
Yes, because I obviously didn't make the charges, right?
Right. Okay. So is that possible that any of your family member does this for you and like you are not aware of it
Uh,
using your card?
no, it couldn't be my wife because I was busy giving her a hot beef injection. So, no, I don't think she could.
I believe. Okay. All right. Now, sir, you don't have to worry about any of your single penny. I will just help you to cancel that. Now, sir, can you just tell me how do you check your statement? You go to your bank or you check online?
I usually go to the bank because it's closer than going to the library so I can use the internet.
Okay, and how far the bank from your house, sir? Like how far?
Probably a 20-minute bus ride, and it'll take me over an hour to walk there.
So it's quite take time, 20 to 30 minutes, right, to go there?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now, sir, can you just tell me when was the last time you used your card and for what?
Let's see, you said Visa was my debit card or my credit card?
Your Visa debit card, sir.
The last time I used it was yesterday, to go pick up some stuff for my, wife. Why?
Okay, okay. And sir, when you used your card, after that, do you remember what is the available balance in your account after you made your last transaction?
Let's see, hang on here. I'm just trying to remember here.
It is
See,
like I don't need the exact amount, sir. Like it's more than 5,000 or if it's less than 5,000.
oh, it's way less than 5,000. After purchasing my wife some tampons and stuff, I have maybe $34.97 in my bank account. Hello?
Okay, all right. And sir, yes, I'm here. And also, do you use any online thing like online banking, anything like that? Telephone banking, you do?
No, not really. It's very easy for me to go into my bank and I pay off all my bills with the tellers there.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Now, sir, right now I believe you don't want to pay this 1,400 for the online thing that you don't aware of it, right? You want me to cancel this, correct, sir?
Yes, that would be appreciated. Yes.
Okay. Now, sir, can you just tell me your postcode slowly, slowly?
Okay, you want it slowly? Okay. T7H2S5.
Okay. So it's T as in Tango, 782, S as in sugar, then number 5, correct?
Yes, correct.
And sir, when was the last time you visit your branch?
Yesterday, after I had to go purchase the tampons for my,
Yesterday,
yeah,
correct?
yes,
Okay. And sir, the phone which we are talking right now, this is a Android phone or this is a landline?
this is a landline. Like I said, I don't have a cell phone, so, yeah.
Hello?
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 Yes?
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Yes, hello. You're
Hello?
asking about my bank account? Hello? Hello? Oh, I guess you called it quits.